Hello there! Today, we'll walk you through the steps to save a video clip from the Lorex app through the Timeline tab. First, navigate to your device from the app and locate the event that you wish to download, either from View Events or Timeline tab. For this video, we will choose the Timeline tab. Now, in the Timeline tab, you will find different screens. On the upper side, you will find the playback screen, which will show the event that triggered the recording. Below, you will find the following options: pause to pause the video, frame forward to watch the footage at different speeds, sound to turn sound on or off, download to download the footage, and expand to watch the footage in full screen. In the middle of the screen, you will find the Snapshot and Record button. The first one will allow to take a photo of the footage you are watching, and the second one will allow you to record a short video of the selected footage. On the left side, you'll find the time in 24-hour format, pinched to zoom in the timeline to navigate to a specific time frame. On the right side, you will find the thumbnail of an event. Locate the event you want to save and tap the playback screen to watch it. If you have a cloud subscription, you will find at the bottom the option to choose between events stored internally or in the cloud. You can narrow down the event list by date and time or event type. For date, tap on the calendar icon and select the month, year, and day. Remember that days with recordings are marked with a red dot. For event type, choose a detection type such as motion, person, or animal. Tap OK to apply the filter. Now, select the event you want to save. Tap on the download button to download the video file of the footage that you want to save. Tap on Download List to see the download status. Now, let's go back to the main menu and tap on Settings, navigate to Snapshots and Recordings. Under Recordings, select your recording. Tap the Save icon to save it to your phone, or tap the Share icon to send it via email, WhatsApp, AirDrop, or any other method. Transfer the recording to your computer using cloud storage. Upload to a service like Google Drive or Dropbox, then download it. USB. Connect your phone via USB, locate the file, and copy it. AirDrop, Mac only. Wirelessly transfer from iPhone to Mac. And that's it! Your video has been saved, and it is ready to be shared on social media. Thanks for watching. If you need any further assistance, visit lorex.com/support.